Castor Oil Face Wash. A face wash with castor oil is so versatile that you can use it to remove makeup, to moisturize and cleanse your face, to control skin oil production, and to fight acne. How to make it? Take a glass jar, make sure it's clean and dry, and add in it the following ingredients. 1/4 cup of castor oil. 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. 6 drops of geranium essential oil. 6 drops of frankincense essential oil. 6 drops of lavender essential oil. These essential oils are optional, but can add some nice benefits to the recipe. Okay, now, close the jar tightly, and shake it well, to thoroughly combine the ingredients. You can expect lots of bubbles after that, but it's not a big deal, as they will disappear after a few hours. The face wash is ready to use. How to use it? Pour about 1/2 teaspoon of the oil face wash into your palm, rub both your palms with the oil, and apply it all over your face. Massage your face with your fingertips for a minute. Wet your cotton cloth under hot water, squeeze out the excess water, and place the cloth over your face, leaving it there for 1 minute. This will open the pores, which makes the whole cleansing much more effective. Gently wipe all areas of your face with a clean cotton cloth, to remove all the makeup, dirt, and dead cells off your skin. Wash the cotton cloth, and repeat the process 1 or 2 more times, to make your skin clean, soft, and properly moisturized. The additional benefit of this cleansing method is that it makes you feel relaxed. The benefits of the ingredients. Castor oil is effective for all skin types. It helps in toxin elimination from the skin, due to its lymphatic drainage support, and anti-inflammatory properties. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in many nutrients and fatty acids, that help nourish and moisturize the skin. Frankincense oil has mood-lifting and depression-fighting properties, and can help with various skin problems, including eczema, psoriasis, stretch marks, and premature skin aging. Geranium oil balances hormones, and fight hormonal acne. It also has a peppery rose scent. Lavender essential oil is famous for its calming and relaxing properties. But it is also highly antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal, and antimicrobial, which makes it a good remedy against acne and pimples. The anti-inflammatory properties of lavender oil help reduce puffiness under the eyes, and reduce the appearance of pimples on the face.